What's up guys, Davis here, and I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your linked data to a new phone in efootball 2023. Yeah, so this video is for those who are sure that you had linked your data from an old device, yeah, to either Economy ID or Google Play account. Yeah, so this is how you restore your data to a new device, or for example after you've deleted the game and just want to restore your data, yeah, after reinstalling it. Yeah, so to do that, you're just basically going to open the application, and when you get to this point, to this page, don't click anywhere else, just click on the button at the bottom right of the screen right here, and then you'll see an option for data transfer. So basically transferring the data that you linked. So if you click on this data transfer like that, it's going to ask you to select either Google Play account or Economy ID. So you just select which one you link to. So for me personally, I always link to the Google Play account, and when I click on it, you're going to see that, yeah, data transferred. That's what it says. So if you don't get to that point, and maybe you get some form of an error, or maybe they tell you that you don't have any data to transfer, that means that you probably didn't link your data from your old phone or from your old installation of the game. You probably didn't link your data, and I would advise you to go and watch my video on linking data in efootball 2023. It's going to be part of the same playlist. Yeah, so if you get the error of no data to be linked, or any other error to do with data linking, you can go and watch my separate video on linking data. And this video is specifically for transferring data that is already linked. And as I've shown you, that's how you basically do it. Your game, your game progress, the players, your coins and stuff like that are going to be restored in that way that I've just showed you. Yeah, if you're unable to do that, then you probably didn't link your data. And I made a separate video on how to do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in this video. Peace out.